How to upload project or design on Behance. Hey everyone and welcome back. If you want to add any of your design or projects into the Behance application or website, here is the perfect tutorial. So first of all, you need to get logged into your Behance account. Open any browser and go to behance.net and then give in your credentials to get logged in. After that, you will see a similar interface. And on the top navigation bar, you will see an option called as Share Your Work. Hover around it and there are four options such as Project, Service, Work in Process and Live Stream. Tap on Project and you will land to another page. The page will contain all of such options which you can add such as image, text, photo grid, video audio, embedded links, Lightroom, prototype and 3D. Just tap on any of the option of your choice. Select the project or the design that you want to add and tap on open. This will take few seconds for the image to load and you're good to go. So this is how you can upload project or design on Behance. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.